अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू फोनिक्स एकेडमिया ऑनलाइन क्लास grade 9. Subject math. Topic is real number. So students, who have we discussed today properties of real number. What is mean by properties of real number? Where is to be used? There are two types of properties in a real number. One is the addition, second is the multiplication. But it has a other subtypes of addition and multiplication. So student, firstly we see that what are the properties of addition. Student, look at this. See, first is a clear property in which a plus b is equal to result. Okay, when only have a plus b is equal to result is known as the clear property. Commutative property is equal to a plus b is equal to b plus a, in which have a two sides, left hand side and right hand side, and in which have a two sides. For example, a and b, they are to be added, and a b and b is to be equal to each other. When you dono two sides have a two values and both sides are equal to each other is called a commutative property of addition. Associative properties of addition: a plus b bracket b plus c, in which have a three values, and one have two values will be closed into a bracket, and the other is a bracket a plus b plus c have a three values that be added and the answer is the equal to each other is called the associative addition properties. Then identity is equal, a plus 0 is equal to a or 0 plus a is equal to a. When you have a identity property, when you have added the value of a, for example you have a set a, add a plus and value of a, for example you have 5 plus 0 is equal to a, because 5 is a is equal to 5, and when you have add 0 into a 5, the value is equal to 5. So the a plus 0, 0 plus a is also equal to a. Then inverse property, a is equal to a plus minus a is equal to a minus plus a is equal to 0. When you have a, the value of a, you have the add plus, you have a sign of addition, and the minus the value of a plus minus minus, a minus a is equal to 0. When you have minus your a from a, the value is also to be a 0. This is the addition property. So student, we have to look at some example. For example, clear property, a plus b is equal to result. For example, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5. The answer is equal to 7. Then a commutative property, a plus b is equal to b plus a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3. b plus a, 3 plus 5. When you have the added the both sides, they are equal to each other. The answer is equal to 8 is equal to 8. These are the commutative property in which have two values to be added, and left hand side and right hand side are equal to each other. Associative addition property, a plus b plus c, a plus bracket b plus c is equal to a plus b bracket plus c. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 2. According to this, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. They are three values, and when you have been added the left hand side and right hand side to be equal to each other is called the associative property of addition. Then identity property, a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a. When you have added your value, for example you have a 5 and you have a add 0 in this value, so you know that the value is equal to value. For example, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. The value of a is 5. So when you have you plus and 0 in any number, the answer is itself of this number. So this is called the identity property. Inverse properties, a plus minus a. You have a value of a, the sign is addition, and you have also be a subtract minus a, plus minus minus. When you have minus a, for example 6 plus minus 6 plus minus minus, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So students, are the examples of addition, addition properties, real number of addition properties. Next is to be a multiplication property, clear property, a plus b, they are to be a same. When you have addition sign, in this as well multiplication sign, a multiply b is equal to result, a b multiply is equal to ba is equal to bc is equal to b, a multiply b multiply by c, a is equal to 1 and 1 is equal to a is equal to a. When you have multiply your a with 1, the answer is itself called a identity property. And inverse property, A is multiplied by 1 by 9 is equal to 1 by, A is equal to 1 by A is equal to 1 by A multiplied by is equal to 1. When you have multiplied and divided is to be about to each other, the answer is equal to 1. So we have looked this some example. For example, clear property, A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 2. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. Commutative property, A multiplied by B multiplied by A. 5 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. Associativity, A, B, C. A multiplied bracket B, C bracket. A value of A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 5. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 5. BC multiplied is equal to 15 when you have multiplied by 2 is equal to 30. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6, multiplied by 5 is equal to 30. They have a three properties. When you have a multiplier left hand side and right hand sides to be equal is called a associative property of multiplication. Identity property, when you have multiplied the number by a 1 is called a identity properties because that the number have its self answer. For example, A is equal to 6 and you have a multiply by 1. 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6 and 1 multiplied by 6 is also to be a 6. So the identity property is called itself number answer. Okay. Then inverse property, A multiplied 1 by A is equal to 1 by A multiplied by A is equal to 1. You have for example 7, the value of A multiply 1 by A, value of 7. 7 cut by 7 is equal to 1. 1 by 7 multiplied by 7, 7 cut by 7 is equal to 1. So you have a short introduction of the properties of the real number. First is the addition property and second is the multiplication property. So student, revise your lesson, complete your homework. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.